Hello everyone, this is my fourth video related to the chapter rational numbers of class 8th. In this video we will learn that how to find one or more rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Means दो rational numbers के बीच में rational numbers हम कैसे find out करेंगे. So in this, first of all we will understand the concept of the rational numbers lies between the given rational numbers. In this screen you can see that there is a number line. In this number line I have mentioned 0, 1, 2 right side of the 0 and -1, -2 left side of the 0. You know that 0 is a rational number, 1 is also rational number, 2 is also rational number. We have already discussed these things in my previous video. So why 0 is a rational number? Because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1. So any number which is written in the form of p upon q, when q is not equal to 0, that number is a rational number. 1 is also can be written as 1 upon 1. 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. So 0 is a rational number, 1 is also a rational number. So you can see between 0 and 1 this space contains many rational numbers. So 0 and 1, between 0 and 1 in the halfway you will get 1 by 2. So this is a rational number between 0 and 1. Same you can get here 1 by 4. Between 0 and 1 by 2 you can get 1 by 4. This is also a rational number. Between half and 1, between the half and 1 you can get again a rational number, that is 3 upon 4. So this way you can get many rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now question arises that how many rational numbers can we get between given two rational numbers? The answer is very clear. You can get infinite number of rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Yes, my friends, this is correct. You can get infinite rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So first we will start that how to find one rational number between given two rational numbers. Then I'll explain how to find more than one rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Suppose we will consider 0 as A and 1 as B. We'll consider 0 as A and 1 as B. So if you want to get a rational number between A and B, what we have to do? First of all we will add A and B and we'll divide by 2. So we'll represent rational numbers with Q. So if you want a one rational number Q1, so what we will do? Half of A plus B, where A is a rational number, B is also a rational number. It doesn't matter whether A is positive or negative, and same with B also. It doesn't matter whether it is positive or negative, any rational number. So half, what is our A? That is 0. And what is our B? That is 1. So now we will add half. 0 plus 1, 1. So half into 1, 1 upon 2. So this is the first rational number between 0 and 1. We'll take another example. Suppose anybody is asking that find a rational number between -3 upon 4 and 2 by 3. So we will consider it as A and we'll consider this second rational number as B. In this question you can see that the first rational number is negative and the second rational number is positive. So how to get that rational number? Same formula will use, half a plus b half minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Half, we have to add these two rational numbers, so we will take the LCM. 4 and 3, LCM will be 12. So 12 divided by 4 3 times, 3 3 is a 9, minus 9 plus 4 times 4 2 is a 8. So we can write that half into minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 upon 12. So you can multiply minus 1 upon 24. So minus 1 upon 24 is halfway of minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. मतलब minus 1 by 24 जो है minus 3 by 4 और 2 by 3 के बिल्कुल बीच में मिलेगा. मतलब इसका स्टेटस क्या होगा? ये जो नंबर है ये इस नंबर से बड़ा है और इस नंबर से छोटा है. मतलब what is the status of minus 1 upon 24? Status is minus 3 by 4 से ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है 2 by 3 से. ये दोनों रैशनल नंबर आपके दिए हुए थे. तो ये रैशनल नंबर जो हमको मिला है वो फर्स्ट वाले से बड़ा है और लास्ट वाले से छोटा है और ये बिल्कुल बीच में है. So this is the method to find out one rational number between given two rational numbers. Now I'll discuss how to find more than one rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So here is a question. Find four rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. We have to find four rational numbers between given these two rational numbers. We'll apply the same method which we were using previously. So first of all we'll consider this one as A and this one as a B. So we can write that the first rational number Q1 half of A plus B. So what we can write, half, what is A? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. We can write half, we'll take the LCM. LCM will be 6. 6 divided by 6 one time and plus 2 times. We can write 1 by 2 into 3 by 6. So that can be written as 3 by 12. We can simplify, that is 1 by 4. So here you can see that this 1 by 4 is the first rational number between 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. Now how to get the second rational number? Now we'll consider the second rational number as Q2. See, in this the role of Q1 is very important when you are finding Q2. The half you can take here as A plus Q1, or you can take it here as, you can take it B also, doesn't matter. You can take 1 by 6 here or 1 by 3. So I am taking it here, I am taking A plus Q1. You will get the second rational number. Q2 half, what is A? This is our A, 1 by 6. And what is Q1? We have got Q1 here. This is your Q1, 1 by 4. Again we'll take the LCM. Half 1 by 6, sorry, we'll take the LCM. LCM of 12, 6 and 4, LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 12 divided by 6 2 times and 12 divided by 4 3 times. Half 5 by 2, 5 upon 24. This is your second rational number. Now how to get the third rational number? Same procedure we will use here. Half, again we can take A or B, A plus and this Q2. You can take here Q1 also, or at the place of A you can take B also, it doesn't matter. Whatever you have got previously, either q1 q2, you can take any one. So we'll write here half. What is a? 1 by 6, this is your a, plus q2 we have got 5 upon 24. So half, we'll take the LCM, 6 and 24, 24. 24 divided by 6 4 times, plus 1 time. So half, 9 by 24. So 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. So 3 upon 16, this is your q3. Third, same way you can get the fourth rational number also. How to get fourth one? q4 is equal to half. You can take it here, you can take here a plus q3. So we'll put here half. What is a? You can take here b also, doesn't matter, and at the place of q3 you can take q1 also, then again you will get the fourth one, doesn't matter. So हम यहाँ पर a की जगह पर लिखेंगे 1 by 6 और q3 की जगह पर लिखेंगे this is your q3 3 by 16. सेम प्रोसीजर करेंगे हम यहाँ पे, LCM ले लेंगे 6 और 16 का और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे फोर्थ रैशनल नंबर मिल जाएगा. तो सेम मेथड को हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे. हम इसी तरह से फिफ्थ q5 भी पा सकते हैं, q6 भी पा सकते हैं, q7 वी कैन गेट 9 10 11 12, जितना चाहें आप उतना निकाल सकते हैं. सेम प्रोसीजर हम यूज़ करते जाएंगे. अब ये काम कैसे करता है, ये प्रोसीजर काम कैसे कर रहा है, इसको मैं एक नंबर लाइन के थ्रू आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. सी, हमने क्या किया, व्हाट आई हैव डन, दिस इज योर रैशनल नंबर. With the help of this number line we can understand what I am doing practically. Suppose on number line this is your 0, this is the position of 1 by 6 and this is the position of 1 by 3. So what I have done, this is your a and this is your b. मैंने क्या किया, a b का हाफ कर दिया तो यहाँ पे मिला मुझे, ये क्या मिला, q1. a और b का मैंने हाफ किया तो यहाँ क्या मिल गया, q1. अब a और q1 का हाफ किया तो यहाँ क्या मिल गया, q2. अब मैंने a और q2 का हाफ किया तो क्या मिल गया यहाँ पे, q3. ऐसे ही ये मिलता जाएगा, हाफ होता जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी